So guys, welcome back to the channel. And now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates we are going to be dropping for you guys. Now, the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. And also, once you subscribe to this channel, guys, also click on the bell notification because we are going to be dropping back-to-back updates and we do not want you to miss this update. Now, let's take a look at what your Swiss franc JPY us for the week. So let's see what Swiss franc JPY is going to do for the week. Now, first thing first, we need to know what the trend is. So before you take a trade, you need to follow these two rules. These two rules that I'm going to highlight for you. The first rule is know the trend. The second rule is trade with the trend. That is what you want to know. What is the trend? That is the first thing. Now let's see it on our weekly time frame on our Swiss franc JPY. Take a look at it right here on our weekly time frame. Guess what is the trend? What is the trend? Definitely, this is an uptrend move. Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move, giving us a bullish movement. That's it. We are clearly a bullish move. So the market is clearly giving us a bullish move. Now, this is the impulsive move the market did from play out. Then here comes the corrective phase. Now, this is the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. Right, within this corrective phase, there's a series of lower low and a lower high, which is very much visible on your weekly forward time frame. Once you go to your forward time, see that it's very much visible as market is giving a series of lower low and a lower high. Now, market was able to push up to form another impulsive move. Then here comes the corrective phase. Now, this is also the impulsive move, and here is just the pullback phase. Now, we'll be expecting market to continue to push up to form an impulsive move. So, this is to tell you that a bullish move, whatever you want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY is what you should be expecting. You should be expecting a buy. So Swiss franc JPY should be giving us bullish. So one movement to the outside is what we should be expecting on our Swiss. Now guys, let's take a look at what the daily time frame will be. Let's zoom it out right here, guys. This is our high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Now here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up one more time again and it formed a new higher high. Now here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market push up to form an equal high, right here and at an equal high, which means market to push up, pull back. Now we'll be expecting market to continue to form that pull so it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out these two previous highs. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. Now, are you in the buy on Swiss franc JPY? If yes, you can hold your buy position because in the long run, market will still push. So you can hold your position to about 100 pips. Hold your see you are able to grab about 100 pips. Once you can grab 100 pips, then you can now start looking for more updates, right? So above all, a bullish move is still what we are going to be expecting on our Swiss franc. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely, yes. The possibility that there will be changes to this prediction that we just did. So, in order for you not to miss out on any updates, all you just need to do is, guys, it's very simple. Click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, let's go down to our forward time frame, guys. So, we've gotten a multiple rejection at this one right here. Market has given us a multiple rejection, which means market will push up. And here comes a pullback. Market then push up one more time, and it gave us a pullback right here. Market then did push up to form a new high, and here is the pullback phase, right? Market then push up again to form a new high, and now we'll be expecting a pullback phase. After a pullback phase, then we can now start expecting another high that should eventually take out this high, also take out this high. So what I'm trying to say is that a bullish move is expecting on Swiss franc JPY, one movement to the upside.